Okay, I pushed it back. Oh, Lord.
You just can't stop.
He is so damn cute. Look at Apache.
What do you want? What do you want? I don't got no bottles. Stay down. No. All right, let's go for a walk. Come on.
Oh my God, he's so smart.
Come on. What? I don't want to take care of you like that.
He's so funny.
He's so crazy.
He's a wild one.
He's like, no, hold my hands. Hold my hands.
Look, I'm walking like Mom.
You're such a silly boy. Yes, you are. You all are so cute, but Apache, you just got something there, boys.